Hello everyone, this is Daniel with uGenesys, and in today's video I'm going to show you another great 5-minute strategy, okay? And remember, if you're a beginner, having a trade manager to automatically take care of challenges like managing lot sizes and keeping you from overtrading and losing money can be a huge bonus for you. And we have just what you need with our trade management software called Market Keys. And also, if you're new and just don't know what to trade or when to trade, we have the perfect solution for you with our uGenesys Trend software, which gives you daily alerts for the most profitable trading opportunities. To learn more about these two products and their amazing benefits, you can click on the link in the description. Let's start off by opening up a gold chart with a 5-minute time frame. And we're going to add our first indicator. Let's go ahead and type in Profit Maximizer PMAX. And here's the one we want. Let's go ahead and add this to our chart. And we're only interested in the buy and sell signals from this indicator, okay? So let's go ahead and go to Settings and Style. And we're going to uncheck all these boxes. We're just going to leave these first two buy and sell boxes checked, okay? Let's uncheck the other boxes here. Alright, let's hit OK. And for our second indicator, let's type in black flag. No spaces. And here we have our swing arm ATR trend indicator, and we see the editor's pick, right? And we know that it's a great indicator on TradingView. And let's make some adjustments here. Let's go to Settings, Style, and we're just going to uncheck all these boxes from the top going down. Alright. And we're only going to leave the plot background boxes checked, okay? And then hit OK. And for our third and final indicator, we're going to type in RSI histogram. And this is the one we want here by D-Man 103. Let's add this one. And so this strategy is pretty easy, guys. So with the black flag indicator, we see we have green clouds and red clouds, alright? So the green clouds indicate that we're in the uptrend, and the red clouds indicate when we're in the downtrend, alright? And also for our RSI histogram indicator, we see we have the histogram being green and above the zero line in this case. That's when we know we're in the uptrend, and whenever it's red and below the zero line, then we can see we're in a downtrend, okay? So let's take a look at our chart now, and right away right here we see where we have our sell signal here from our PMAX indicator. Our black flag indicator has the red cloud here, and down below we see that the RSI histogram is below the zero line and red, so we know this is a valid sell signal right here. And right at this section here, we now see where the black flag indicator is green. Below also the RSI histogram is above the zero line in green, and we have our buy signal right here from our PMAX indicator, okay? So we know this is another valid buy signal. And if you take a look right here, you can see where we have another sell signal, and our black flag indicator, the cloud is red at this point, and also the RSI histogram is red and below the zero line, okay? And you can see our market going downwards at this sell signal, alright? So we know this is another great sell signal right here. And here we can see we have another section where our black flag indicator is green, the cloud here is green, and also the RSI histogram is green and above the zero line, and we also have a buy signal right here, and you can see the market going upwards, alright? Another great buy signal again. And let's also take a look at our GBP USD chart. So right here we can see another buy signal. We see down here that the RSI histogram is above the zero line and green, and also our black flag indicator is green, alright? So we know this is another valid buy signal right here. And if you take a look over here, we see another sell signal, and below we see our RSI histogram is below the zero line this time, and it's red, and also our black flag indicator is red going down, alright? And look at the market trending downwards, guys. So this is another valid sell signal right here, okay? So you can see this is another very accurate strategy, okay guys, and I hope you can really get some profitable trades with this one. So thanks again for watching our video. Please remember to like, subscribe, share with your friends, and comment down below and let us know what you think. And goodbye for now.